Hey, what's up, guys? Today I've got the carbon add-ons mirror covers, and we're going to be getting these prepped up to install today. And I've already gone ahead and prepped this one over here. You can see the tape and all that I've got put in it to hold it down. It comes with these little cotton, swab things that you wipe the edges down with, prepare it, get all the grease stuff off it, or dirt, dust, whatever else these things are shipped with. And then simple as laying down some of the tape that comes with it. And I got this one done, working on this one. Okay, once I get done with this, we'll head outside and we'll prep the mirrors out there by wiping those down, and we'll go ahead and peel the tape when we get outside and start laying these on there. Alright guys, back for part 2 here. We're going to get this mirror cleaned up, a little bit of alcohol, get it wiped down, try to get the dust off of it and whatever contaminants are on here. So it's pretty simple, just wipe it down about in the areas where you got your tape placed on your mirror covers. Once you got that wiped down, start peeling the tape off the inside of these things. So I'll start peeling the tape off and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I got the tape peeled, ready to install here. So we're going to carefully try to do this. Alright, then the last part, just go ahead and push down where you know you put your tape at. Get the seal. Alright, looks good. Alright, and off camera I took and went ahead and peeled the other one, so let's go ahead and switch over to the other side and we'll get that one installed. So basically rinse and repeat from the other side. Get your alcohol and rag. Yep. Okay. Take and get this one wiped down. Make sure there's no hairs on here from the rag or anything. So you got a really clean surface to stick to. Alright, number 2, let's get this one going. Alright, rinse and repeat like I said from the other side. Take and push down where you put your tape. So you get a good bond there. And I'd say another good tip is to don't do this in cold weather. Your tape's not going to stick right off the bat, and it's probably going to pop loose on you. I'm in Arizona, and it's probably about good 80, 82 degrees out today. So this thing's already heated up pretty well itself. So it's going to really help with the adhesion to the mirror and everything. So if you're in a colder climate, I suggest like doing it in an enclosed area, maybe a garage, and try to get your temperatures up in above the 60s. I think you'll have a lot better luck with these sticking. So there we have it, the carbon fiber add-on mirror covers. I hope you enjoyed the video and it gives you some ideas, some help. All right, so there we have it, the carbon fiber add-on mirror covers. It's pretty simple. I didn't see any videos on their website of how to install these. They only have some pictures. So after searching the internet a little bit and kind of seeing what other people were doing, I did find a person that had a video. It was kind of poor quality video of the installation, so I kind of followed along with that and saw where you're putting the tape and stuff like that. Kind of did it as, you know, what I thought was best for me. But again, it's a very simple job. All together, taping this up and everything, and a prep and thing. It's less than 30 minutes for an install. So I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and share. And let's keep this channel growing. Thank you.